Welcome everyone. Welcome to Ricky Baby Travel Vlog and Culinary. Today we're gonna view or tour my visit to the beautiful Hyatt Regency in Irvine, California. This building standing with an impressive of four-story building. This hotel, the facades give you already a modern and upscale vibe even before you step inside. This is located in 17900 Jamboree Boulevard. And you have also self parking and also valley parking. The self parking overnight is $42. So look at this sleek architectures, very clean, glass windows, and the welcome is very heartwarming. Well, let's go inside the building. Let's go inside the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Irvine, California. As you walk into the entrance, you will notice how clean and elegant everything feels. The design is simple but very sophisticated. It definitely gives you the warm California welcome atmosphere. You can already feel the atmosphere inside. It's not too crowded, which is a plus. At the lobby, you can see the ambience is very calm and not too many people when we visit this over the weekend, which is a Sunday afternoon. There's a marketplace also here. The marketplace is very convenient, super convenient. If you need some quick snacks, drinks, and they have also some medications. You can have a light meal. You can have some. You can buy some wine, bottle of wine, and you can do to the deli, which is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening. So if you're craving late night, you can just have to go down from your room and you can eat here or stay on the beautiful lobby. There's also chairs, a table, and there's also an internet cafe. And if you are a member of the Hyatt World of Hyatt, you have also free internet. If you walk in, you can see or you will notice right away the beautiful restaurant. They call it the Warehouse 72 restaurant. This beautiful restaurant is have a lot of menu items that you can order. It was modern design, great for casual dining and special occasion. So as you notice, it's very clean and well designed and nice ambience restaurant. Also, if you go to the right side, if you can also dine in the Regency Club. When you book in, you can include into your room as a package, or if you are a member of Hyatt, if you have some award, this is one of the award that they provide as their amenities. Let's go inside. You can use your key card. It's attached to your key card from your room. Then you have access if you add the club Regency Club access. The Regency Club is very quiet. They have a lot of goodies that you can have it included. There's what do you call this? Espresso, latte, as you say, latte, and you have some also a wine glass included. The wine you can order it through when you book, you can ask the host, because there's a code that you can enter when you purchase the beverages for the liquor, wine and beer. I think it's $7 and $9 for the wine, and they have also included a free Coke, regular Coke, and a Diet Coke, and also they have an iced tea. So the iced tea is included, and at night they have also food that they provide during dinner, and they have also snacks between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So you have to make a reservation on the Hyatt Regency Club in the morning during breakfast time. Again, this is a very calm and relaxing Regency Club lounge. And if you have kids, they also provide a small computer that your kid can play games to make them relax while you are eating or relaxing, drinking your coffee. There's also an outside patio where you can also use the outdoor sittings. There's a fireplace or a fire pit that fire pit that also turn on during nighttime. Again, there's a TV also that you can watch the sports or any program on the TV while you're dining in or eating your breakfast or relaxing, drinking your coffee. Again, they provide some goodies. There's a bagel in the morning, egg, wine, and coffee, and snacks, pretzels. It's included. And they have also a nice cookie, a butter cookie, and a chocolate chip cookies. So this is only provided you from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon before dinner time. So again, this Regency Club is very cozy, very relaxing, definitely worth if you have to have access on it. Well, let's go outside the 72 Warehouse Restaurant. In the 72 restaurant, they have an outside sitting. There's umbrella, beautiful afternoon. They have also selections of wine, beer tap, and you can just ask from your waiter to order it from delivered to your table. As we walk in, down to the right is the pool, one of their amenities that it's very relaxing. So first, as we can see, there's a main swimming pool, perfect for adults who want to swim and also for kids. This is a kids pool. It's great for family traveling. It's safe and fun for little ones. And there's also a lot of cabanas that you can rent. As you can see here, this is an outdoor seating from the Warehouse Restaurant. Of course, you can access to the main swimming pool using your key card. As you walk in, there's also a little garden that you can relax. There's an umbrella. You can stroll to the little garden here as you can walk through around the area. It's beautiful. It's very relaxing. See that? That's the view from the swimming pool, and you also have a big TV that you can watch on from the swimming pool. So as we can see here, let's park a bit here and let's go inside the swimming pool and let's look their amenities they provide here. Again, to go inside the main swimming pool, you have to use your key card. It's safe, so it's not open for public. Again, there's a lot of umbrellas. It's an adult and kids swimming pool combined. But the good thing with the swimming pool is the provided for kids. The design also for kids. To be exact, is family oriented kind of swimming pool, and you don't have to bring your own towel. They provide towel here, and after you use it, you just have to return it. There's a box that deposit for your towel. They have also a restaurant. So the maximum occupancy is 537, and you can see there's a kids playing around the small swimming pool. So let's go back to the main lobby, the entrance, where the market is. Let's go visit to my room. We go to a room, and we are located up on the 14th floor. So as we getting the higher views, we can see the beautiful view around it. The hallway are very clean, quiet, and very comfortable, and the safe vibe feelings. So again, we are here in the 14th floor. So we are in room 1414. See that to the right? So we are in room 1414. There we go. So as we go inside, you notice that there's an evacuation plan. How to use it, you have to read it. Be careful, if there's a fire, you have to use this stairway, like reminders. There's a small bathtub and a rain shower, and also there's a hose for your shower for extra convenient. Of course, there's a little standard amenities here for a faucet that you can wash your face, wash your hand, and of course there's a standard curtain for the bathroom. This is a 2 queen size bed. I showed that. There's ceramic tiles. There's a long chair that you can put your bag, or you can sit down to relax. Very comfortable. So our room is provided with a complimentary Juliet balcony. They call it Juliet balcony. There's a small what do you call this, lamp right here, extra light, and there's a TV, 45-inch TV. The good thing here is there's a complimentary 2 bottles of water if you're a member. If you're not a member, you have to pay $7. There's a safety deposit. There's also a mini fridge that you can put your water, and also if you want to go down to the Regency Club. As you can see here, this is the evening view outside the balcony. You can view the freeway. I think that's a freeway 5. Oh no, that's a freeway 405 going north. This is a 2 building facing from our balcony. It's a little bit foggy around this time, and I can show you also in the morning view of this location right here. This is the morning view. So again, this hotel is very convenient. It's a family kind of hotel, So if you have kids, you can enjoy it. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the Ricky Baby Travel Blog and Culinary.